4 effective remedies for swollen feet. Did you know that swollen feet can be one of the first signs of various serious illnesses? Stay tuned to learn more. Hey Hapthies! Today we will talk about swollen feet and some of the effective home remedies which may help you in this regard. Your feet may develop swelling due to a variety of reasons. Some are easy to identify and treat, such as a minor injury, while others may point towards serious medical conditions that require urgent attention. People who have excessive fluid accumulation in their bodies may suffer from edema that can cause swollen feet. While the problem can resolve itself over time, in some cases, it is helpful to pick up some habits that could help accelerate the healing process. Swelling in the feet could also develop because of pregnancy, staying on your feet for too long, and even ill-fitting shoes. If the swelling is caused by a disturbance in your everyday life, these effective home remedies are a great way to naturally heal this problem. Please stay tuned for a bonus fact towards the end, and remember to subscribe if you find the video helpful. Epsom salt bath. Magnesium sulfate, more commonly known as Epsom salt, is an effective remedy for various issues like muscle pain, inflammation, and even swelling. People who participate in intense athletic activities, have injuries, or suffer from conditions such as arthritis can all benefit from an Epsom salt bath. Epsom salt is easily absorbed through the skin, which means it can share its beneficial properties in a much faster and effective way compared to other remedies. Soaking your feet in an Epsom salt bath for a few minutes can significantly lower the levels of swelling in your feet. Additionally, it can also help remove any foot odor you may have. If you suffer from arthritis or overuse of the muscles from excessive exercising, an Epsom salt bath can help relieve any joint and muscle pain you may have developed. The abundance of magnesium in the mixture ensures that your feet are never dry or cracked. It is also a helpful remedy for removing any fungal infections in your toenails. Lose weight. Many health problems arise with being overweight. These include heart conditions and even diabetes. Swelling in the feet can also be one of the causes of being overweight. This is because when excessive strain is put on the lower extremities, it can lead to reduced blood circulation and swelling. There is also a risk of developing pain in your feet due to being overweight. This can make you more sedentary than usual and result in a buildup of fluids in your feet. Bearing excessive loads for a long time can risk conditions such as osteoarthritis, gout, and tendinitis. All of this extra strain on your ankles, ligaments, and bones can cause significant swelling over time. Losing weight can help ease some of the strain on your feet, resulting in reduced swelling and pain. It will also decrease the risk of severe health conditions associated with obesity and help you live a healthier lifestyle. Improve your diet. When the body is deficient in certain vitamins and minerals, it tends to give some sort of signals for us to identify the problem. Swelling in your feet can be one such instance of the body trying to tell us something. This is because a deficiency in potassium and magnesium has been identified as being one of the reasons for swollen feet. Having healthy eating habits will not only reduce your overall weight and lower the strain put on your feet, but it will also ensure that your body receives adequate amounts of these essential vitamins and minerals for proper function. Reducing your sodium intake will go a long way in helping you decrease swelling in your body. This is why it is important to avoid salted meats and other snacks. Your body retains water and develops swelling when you're deficient in magnesium. Adding magnesium-rich foods like spinach, broccoli, almonds, and cashews to your diet is a great way to combat this issue. Similarly, a potassium deficiency can also make your body retain water and also contribute to high blood pressure. Some healthy foods that are rich in potassium include pistachios, salmon, and sweet potatoes. Get a pair of compression socks. Compression socks are a handy tool for helping you reduce swelling and are easily available online, at your local pharmacy, or in the shoe store. Wearing compression socks is an effective way to prevent fluid buildup in your feet, legs, and ankles. They are also great at helping relieve any pain caused by injury or otherwise. They are available in 3 different weight options: light, medium, and heavy. It is important to pick an option that is not too tight for your body. It is highly recommended to start with a light pair, which ideally measures between either 12 to 15 millimeters or 15 to 20 millimeters of mercury. Wearing them for as long as you comfortably can each day helps get rid of swelling in no time. Bonus points if you consume some cucumber and lemon water when you're doing it. This is because these fruits have potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can further help reduce swelling in your feet. For today's bonus fact, we feel like it's important to mention some of the more concerning reasons for developing swollen feet. While most of the time the problem can go away with some rest and little attention, other times it can point towards problems that may require urgent medical attention. One of the most dangerous reasons for having swollen feet is blood clots. They are formed when the blood flow in your body is hindered and causes platelets to stick together. Deep vein thrombosis is a condition where such clots form in the legs. This condition can cause a blockage in the major veins of your legs and carry a risk of it breaking off and moving to your lungs or heart. Heart failure or heart disease is another cause of swollen feet. It could suggest that your heart is unable to properly pump blood to the area and other essential organs. Kidney disease can hinder their ability to properly excrete fluids from your body and cause your feet to swell. While we hope these home remedies can help reduce swelling in your feet fast, if the problem is persistent, please don't hesitate to seek medical attention as soon as possible. Thank you for staying tuned. We hope you learned something new today, and please subscribe for more informative videos on your health. Do you or anyone you know suffer from chronic conditions caused by swollen feet? Please share which remedy works the best for you in the comments below.